Hey there, this is Ryan from the Ontario Guitar Studio here. So today I want to talk about the basics of scales. So scales start to give you the ability of soloing and playing single lines, but it is also a really good way to train your hands and also starts to further unlock the fretboard. So let's jump into the lesson and I'll show you what I mean here. All right, so first I'd like to explain to you what a scale actually is. And to do that, I have to explain to you what the musical alphabet is. So the musical alphabet are these 12 notes. So a scale is a family that is based off of these 12 notes. So in this case today, we're going to be looking at the G major scale. So the G major scale looks like this. So it's a selection from those 12 notes that we were just looking at. So this is right from G. All right, so this is a diagram of what I just played here, including a little bit of extra. So this is basically what I played, but then also adding an extra octave of notes. So basically it's playing the same 7 notes, just one set above, or one pitch above what I just played. So I'll play through it here for you so you can hear how that sounds. So starting from G, so this is G with our third finger, third fret, and we go G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. So the great thing about this is this really helps you train your hands to keep everything in line and in position. So the way you want to play this too is you want your third finger to play everything on the third fret, your second finger to play everything on the second fret, and so on. I'll play that again a little faster so you can see what that looks like. And you can go down as well. And that's the G major scale in this section of the fretboard. Now, the interesting thing about the guitar is you can play the same notes in different places on the guitar neck. So let's take a look at a different pattern. So if we take a look at this one here, take a look at this. So we still have those same notes, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. But here we're starting on the third fret. Well, we're starting on the third fret again, but this time we're going across the neck like this. This pattern is really good because it really helps you train your stretching of your hands. And there you go. And it's the G major scale in another position. Of course, there are different ways you can play the G major scale, tons of different positions you can play, but I would highly recommend learning these positions first, and then you can move on to some other positions. All right, so I want to give you one more scale before we go. So this scale is called the G major pentatonic scale. So it's very, very similar to the last scale that we just did, but we're missing 2 notes. So as we can see, G, A, B, there's no C, D, E, and there's no F sharp. So we're missing those 2 notes here, and that goes to this area as well. So that is also its own unique scale as well. So I'll play what that sounds like now. So starting here, same place. That's the G major pentatonic scale. I'll play one more time the major scale. And the G major pentatonic scale. There's a little bit of a different sound once you play all of those notes together. And of course, just like the last scale, you can play those same notes in a different area of the fretboard. So if I show you this here, that's what that looks like here. So same starting point. the G major pentatonic scale, but this time starting here and you're ending here. So almost every scale that you play have more than one way to play them on the guitar. So what I recommend to do in terms of practicing these scales and memorizing these scales is first working on the scale while looking at the diagram, kind of playing it as you look at it. And then slowly start to play without looking at it. All right, so that's all we'll cover today regarding scales. I just wanted to give you a foundation regarding scales, and then we're going to go deeper in some future videos. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a like. And do you have any scales that you'd like me to take a look at in future videos? Let me know in the comments below, and then I'll see you in the next video.